Hello guys, in this video we will see what is error code Bravo in COD Warzone and how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Sebo understanding error code Bravo. Content error code Bravo in Call of Duty Warzone is a general network-related error that typically indicates a problem with your connection to the game servers. It often manifests as sudden disconnections during gameplay and inability to join matches or failure to connect to the online services at all. This error is usually client-side, meaning the issue originates from your internet connection, router, or local network setup rather than a widespread server outage on Activision's end, though server status can sometimes contribute.
Step identifying common causes. Content. The primary causes of error code Bravo stem from unstable or insufficient network connectivity. This includes a poor Wi-Fi signal and overloaded home network issues with your internet service provider is for a problem with your router or modem. Other potential causes are outdated network drivers on interference from firewalls or antivirus, software blocking game connections, or even temporary hiccups with Warzone's regional servers. Pinpointing the exact cause is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Step basic network troubleshooting steps. Content. Begin by performing fundamental network resets. First, restart your router and modem by unplugging them for at least 10 seconds before plugging them back in. Next, perform a hard reset on your gaming platform for console's power cycle by unplugging it for a few minutes, and for restart your computer. If using Wi-Fi, try connecting your device directly to your router via an Ethernet cable to rule out wireless interference or signal degradation as the cause. Separate advanced connectivity and game checks. Content. If basic resets do not resolve the issue, proceed with more in-depth checks. Verify the current status of Activision's Warzone servers via their official status page or social media to ensure there isn't a known outage affecting other players. Verify the integrity of your game files through the Battle.net launcher. Consider flushing Jordan's cache or changing Jordan's settings to public ones like Google's, and where ensure your network drivers and router firmware are up to date, and temporarily disable any firewalls or antivirus software to check for conflicts.
Step. Contacting Activision support. Content. If all previous troubleshooting steps fail to resolve error code Bravo, the issue may require further investigation from Activision. Gather all relevant information, including the exact error message, the troubleshooting steps you have already attempted, your gaming platform, and your internet service provider. Visit the official Activision support website and open a support ticket or use their live chat service, providing them with as much detail as possible to help them diagnose and resolve the issue, which might be account-specific or related to back-end server configurations.